Hey, this is Steve from Michigan Skier. Today we're headed to Caberfae Peaks. I got a surprise for you. I got some friends that we're going with, so let's go pick them up. What up, Pete?
Oh, yeah. That's what I like to see.
Down the boulevard, cruising with the windows down, feeling like we're on this town. Your song is on the radio.
Building
Well, we made it.
and get our
We're
stuff
here
all on
at Caberfae.
inside.
We're going to meet our friend Tom here. He's coming from Chicago, but he actually stayed in town last night, so we're going to grab our stuff and get changed inside. That's going to be nice and warm rather than by the backseat of our car. So that's Pete.
Woo! Yeah, I'm going to check about the rentals.
Okay. It's Tommy. We finally met up with him. Hi, everybody. It's really nice here. They got fire pits blazing. Not a bad little place here. It's nice and warm out here.
Oh, I didn't bring a lighter. Oh, well.
Might have to go
How long
lower.
it takes.
A few moments later.
Windy. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh my god, it's windy. It feels Yep. Thank you. Flip the camera around.
Oh yeah. Let's go video. Come on out.
Oh really?
So that's why I'm like a fucking avid helmet guy now. I was skeptical until I fell and I hit my head and I was like, nope. That helmet just like was worth it right there.
Oh no!
Sorry about that. You guys want to go ahead? Are you sure?
We're in no rush. Alright, appreciate it. Pardon us.
I've been walking through the haze. Every street is telling me your name. Still the night won't let me go. Chasing after it was all the same. Will I run from what I feel? Every step just turns the wheel. In the dark your voice remains, pulling me through all that change.
You're in the middle now,
bitch.
All right.
Steer in the middle, bitch. That's how it goes.
So fuck you
That's how
up.
we do it, Caberfae, motherfucker. Hey, can you guys turn the wind down at the top of the hill? It's a bit much. A bit much. Thank you.
Thank you.
For me.
What?
It's low.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Cheers.
I don't know if we can die. I'm not sure. Maybe we already tried to become ghosts. Can you feel the breeze? It's carrying your name. Invited to the feast. Who are you to blame? Oh, everything we touch catches fire. Everything we hold start to glow. It's a long and winding road, and the only thing I know, I wanna burn with you. It's a mystery that we are here. It's a mystery. I mean, just to look at you.
All right, listen, we got some hard questions here today on the chairlift.
Should I pause my music?
No, it's a fine.
That's a soft question.
Monetize, I don't know. Probably might feel bad. My hand is freezing cold. But I wanted to ask you boys, what do you think about Israel?
Israel. Wow. I'm truly fucked up for a cigarette. I haven't wanted a cigarette in months. Tom, thanks for not letting me.
Hard questions, boys. So, what do you think about Jeffrey Epstein?
You just seem to have one single thing in mind. I'm canceling our date to save some time. So on the edge of life.
Wait.
We are on our way home after this long trip at Caberfae. It was a good trip. It was very windy. It's about a wind chill of like -50, but it was good. The snow was very soft.
Soft.
It was good.
Soft
All right,
and good.
now we're about 3.5 hour drive home. We'll see you guys. It's a blizzard out here. It is not a fun drive home. I hope I get home safe. Bailed the boys out, had to get them gas. It was a good time. And back on the road in the middle of freaking nowhere.
Israel, wow. Hey, I think it'd be cool if like you could find a way to be a state, but also like not kill kids. Working on it in America, can't charge too hard, but like you can do better. We can do better.
Do better, we can do better. Anybody can do better.
Let's do better.